This is Ted from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your phone without the power button on the side. So on your Android phone, if you go to the top right, there should be a power option right here. So you can see it on that phone right there in the top right. So you can just select it now. So you can see this little power symbol. It could be in the bottom right here too. And then just choose it and it'll bring up the power menu. And then we can go to restart right there. And if we choose restart, just tap it one more time and this will restart your phone. Now sometimes on some of your phones, if you go to settings, there might be like a helping button or something under accessibilities. So if you go to accessibilities right here under settings, interaction and dexterity. Now this one I think will only be on your Samsung phone, but we have this assist menu that will pop up. And it could be something different on your other version of Android, your other brands. And then we go to the right and there's the power menu that will open up right here, and we can restart the phone through this method as well. So that's called the assist button or assist menu. So we can turn this off. And it just adds a little button to your screen with some helpful things on it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.